Today I'll be making ice matcha latte. こんにちは I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. I'm excited to share one of my favorite drinks at home. It's super easy and refreshing. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
First, add 1 cup of ice cubes. Then, add 3/4 cup of your favorite type of milk. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of homemade simple syrup, which is made of equal parts of sugar and water. Then, measure 1.5 teaspoons of matcha and add to a spouted bowl called katakuchi. After that, measure 2 tablespoons of hot but not boiling water and add to matcha. Now here's the fun part. With a bamboo whisk called chasen, whisk briskly back and forth, drawing a letter W until no lumps remain for about 20 seconds. Finally, pour the matcha mixture into the milk glass. Stir well, admire the beautiful swirl, and enjoy this refreshing drink.
If you enjoy matcha, here's another recipe to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. またね!